Chevrolet brings everything heavy-duty truck customers want and need with the 2024 Silverado HD, with no compromises in capability and comfort. The 2024 Silverado HD arrives with powertrain upgrades, a more commanding presence paired with an overhauled interior, enhancements to its revolutionary trailing technology, and infotainment and active safety technology upgrades. Chevy says the new Silverado HD, available either as 2500 HD or 3500 HD, is all about making towing easier and more comfortable. The updated Silverado HD features a refreshed exterior design highlighted by new C-shaped LED light signatures that are inspired by the Silverado 1500 vehicles. The massive Chevrolet grille bar featured previously on certain trim levels is nowhere to be seen on the 2024 model. It's been replaced by more subtle debossed lettering on the hood scoop. Tow hooks are now standard, while upper trim levels add new dual projector headlamps with animated lighting sequences as the driver approaches or departs the truck. 6 new exterior colors have been added as well: sterling grey, dark ash, radiant red, auburn metallic, lakeshore blue metallic, and meteorite metallic. The Silverado's cabin has also been overhauled, again to bring the heavy-duty truck in line with the light-duty Silverado 1500. That means better materials, fit and finish all around, a new dashboard, and a redesigned center console that features an improved wireless phone charger area and side-by-side cup holders. The HD is now available with large 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a massive 13.4-inch central touchscreen with Google built in. The Silverado HD also features wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity for drivers who'd rather power their drive with a smartphone or step outside of the Google ecosystem. An optional head-up display helps keep the driver's eyes on the road by projecting speed and other relevant information on the windshield. 2 engines will be available for the 2024 Silverado HD. The 6.6-litre gasoline V8 remains with the same 401 horsepower and 464 pound-feet of torque, but it now comes standard with a 10-speed Allison transmission that was previously only available with the diesel. The 6-speed auto is gone. The Allison is the standard gearbox across all Silverado HD models. The bigger news is that the 6.6-litre Duramax diesel V8 has been upgraded with an SAE certified 470 horsepower and 975 pound-feet of torque. That's up from the current L5P Duramax's rating of 445 horsepower and 910 pound-feet of torque. The lineup includes 2500 HD and 3500 HD models in regular cab, double cab, and crew cab configurations. Dual rear-wheel models are available on 3500 HD, and they support the lineup's highest trailing capacity, 36,000 pounds. The 2024 Silverado HD is available in work truck, custom, LT, LTZ, and high country trims. ZR2 will join the HD trim lineup later in the model year for the first time. 2024 Chevrolet Silverado HD will make its public debut at the 2022 Texas State Fair's Media Day, which is scheduled for 29 September. Production will start in the first quarter of 2023. Pricing will be announced in the coming months.